Would you like to bring your children or your pets to places where people have broken glass scattered about the area? Me either. Would you like to set your tarp shelter where people have been taking dumps and leaving it laying on the ground? Me either. Yeah, this just really pisses me off right here. It looks like they just set a bottle of Jack Daniels on the stump and just blew glass all over the place. Oh look, and they used the gun to do it. Big hole right here. I'm not even really even equipped to pick up glass. Yeah, bring your kids out camping. Go ahead. Let them run right through shards of glass. Or pets. It's not like pets aren't inquisitive and they don't go sniffing around. You know, this is my first time at this particular spot. And before I can even get started on any of my video projects I got working on that I want to get done today, I have to go around and pick up people's trash. Now I draw the line at cleaning up glass because I don't really have the gear or equipment to do that. And I'm not picking up soiled, shitty toilet paper. So that's the two areas that I'm not going to go. So. You know what really gets me? Is where are the big YouTube channels with this problem? Do they just not care? Or maybe it doesn't make them any money? Why is it the small fry who goes around doing this? Or even, you know, I don't even hear them make mention of it. It's always a little guy. Where are they? Where are their videos? They have a much larger audience. And people who will pretty much repeat back everything they say, as, you know, as the way it should be. Yeah, I don't see videos from them.